So I have already created my layer and filled it with the black color. Make sure the foreground is white. Select the text tool, left click here and then type your text. Control A to select all text. I'm going to change the font to Anton. For the size, I'm going to reduce it to 300. Press enter. And now select the alignment tool. Make sure the align is relative to the image. And now let's align it horizontally like this. And now select the move tool. And now hold the control key while moving this text layer to move it on a straight line. Now I'm going to create 2 copies to have 3 text here. So you can either duplicate text layer and then move it, or just go to filter, map, and then select recursive transform. I'm just going to reduce the number of iterations here to 2. And then if I place here my cursor inside, I'm going to be able to move the copies like this. So I think I'm going to place them like this. So here it is, and I just press OK. And now right click on the layer, layer to image size, and now go to filter, distort, and then select ripple. And now here I'm going to increase the period. So as you can see, so I'm going to leave it around 700 or 690. So I'm going to leave it here like this. So for the phase shift, it will just control how the waves, where it's going to start. So like this, it will start up or down. So I'm going to leave it here, and now I'm just going to increase the amplitude here to increase the effect or the amount. So like this. And for the angle, it will just distort our layer according to the angle. So for example, so it is distorting it on the horizontal axis. If I change it, for example, double click, change it to 90, press enter. So as you can see, it is distorting it like this. So let's double click, type 0. Can also, for example, have others. So I'm going to leave it either to 180 or 0. So I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. Can also increase the amplitude. Can also, for example, change the wave here, the period, sorry. So I think I'm going to leave it here and now press OK. And now my text layer is white and the background is black. If I want to change the color, I can either right click, alpha to selection, to make selection and then paint it. Or I'm just going to create a new layer, click on this icon, fill it to transparency and then press OK. Change the new layer here on top of our text to multiply, change the layer mode to multiply. And then you can either paint it with the paintbrush, or so for example, I'm going to use the gradient. If I left click, I'm going to use this gradient here. So I'm going to use the blue-green layer, the blue-green gradient, sorry. And now I'm just going to trace my gradient. So I'm going to place the green on top. So the shape is linear. And then press enter.